I think on Syria, we see an opportunity arising to create a precedent in the formation of international law. We have two conflicting bodies of peremptory norms of international law clashing with another. On the one hand, you would have the prohibition on the use of force, the inviolability of international borders, and of course the preeminence of the UN Security Council as the authority to decide upon breaches or threats of international stability. On the other hand, you see really the body of law that has been developing over the last decades, which are centered around the concept of human security, peremptory norms of human rights, fundamental freedoms, and which in the case of Syria are bolstered by the decades, if not century-long prohibition of the use of chemical weapons. And here, with these two bodies of law clashing and the UN Security Council not being able to play its crucial role as the decision maker on cases of threats or breaches of international security due to the threat or use of vetoes by Russia, I think a more human security-centered approach should be taken, more in tune with megatrends which we observe in international relations generally, with the position of the individual, the human being promoted on the international stage, becoming a subject of public international law, almost, not entirely, but almost at the same level, enjoying rights at least at the same level as those of states. And in this particular case in Syria, with such a flagrant violation repeated over times of the use of chemical weapons in the last couple of weeks, I think the opportunity has arisen to make that precedent and develop international law in a direction which goes more towards the protection of the fundamental principles around human security.